In today's video, we'll dive into the maintenance of automatic and CVT transmissions, focusing on the essential components that require regular replacement, oil and filters. We'll also provide you with precise details about the amount of oil required for different transmission types, which oil to use, and the recommended service intervals. Why is regular transmission maintenance so important? Both automatic and CVT transmissions operate under high pressure and generate significant heat. Over time, the transmission fluid degrades. It becomes contaminated with metal particles and loses its ability to properly lubricate and cool the components. This can lead to overheating, reduced performance, and even expensive repairs. Transmission oil. What you need to know. For automatic transmissions, ATF, automatic transmission fluid, is commonly used. Popular options include Dexron 6, Mercon 5, and Toyota ATF WS. The type of oil you need depends on your vehicle manufacturer's specifications, so always consult your owner's manual or a trusted service center. For CVT transmissions, specialized CVT fluids are required, such as Nissan NS3, Toyota TC, or Honda HCF2. CVT oil is specifically designed to support the unique operation of belts and pulleys in these systems. Oil capacity by transmission. Type. Traditional automatic transmissions typically require 6-10 liters of fluid during a full change, depending on the model. CVT transmissions usually require 5-7 liters. Checking the oil level is also crucial. Most modern transmissions lack a dipstick, so the fluid level is checked through a service port under specific temperature conditions. Filters, an integral part of maintenance. In addition to oil, replacing the transmission filter is critical. Filters trap contaminants that accumulate during the transmission's operation. There are two main types. Internal filters, located inside the transmission, requiring disassembly for replacement. External filters, which are more accessible and easier to replace. For most vehicles, it's recommended to replace the filter along with the fluid. For example, automatic transmissions. Filters are often sold in kits, including a gasket for the transmission pan. CVT transmissions. Filters are specialized and typically require OEM parts for replacement. Recommended service intervals. How often you should change the oil and filter depends on your driving conditions and the manufacturer's recommendations. As a general guideline, automatic transmissions. Replace the oil and filter every 60,000 to 80,000 kilometers. CVT transmissions. Replacement intervals are shorter, usually every 40,000 to 60,000 kilometers, due to the unique demands of CVT systems. If you frequently drive in harsh conditions, such as stop-and-go traffic, towing, or mountainous terrain, these intervals may need to be shortened. How to identify potential issues. Signs that your transmission needs urgent attention include slipping gears, irregular shifting behavior, and unusual noises such as buzzing or grinding, warning lights on the dashboard indicating transmission problems. Maintaining your automatic or CVT transmission isn't just about extending your vehicle's lifespan. It's also about ensuring road safety. Regular oil and filter changes can prevent costly repairs and keep your transmission operating smoothly and efficiently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more useful tips, and share your experiences in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.